Dear users, we are going to take you a few minutes to share our 360 photo booth's excellent designs. Number 1. Our photo booth was practical, durable, and easy for installation. For metal design, it's more wear resistant than other materials like wood and plastic, and installation can be quickly finished within 3 minutes. Number 2. Stable and reliable. Maintenance-free 360 photo booth has been upgraded from belt drive to gear drive. We all know that the belt drive design often slips due to the initial impact force, or the belt will age and loose after long use, resulting in a series of problems. If you are using 360 photo booth outdoors, the belt may get interfered by grass or other objects with the belt drive design. After upgrading to gear drive, this product has better controllability and interference resistance, basically maintenance-free for a long time. Number 3. Start and stop smoothly without vibration. You can take a look at my operation. It operates that is very stable and there will be no vibration when start and stop. 4. Low noise. Ultra silent mode almost has no sound. Now be quiet. Let's listen carefully. I can hardly hear any motor noise, even when it's running with maximum speed, only some slight sound of the gear transmission. Number 5. Special material damping technology. The upper stage of this product is composed of an upper bracket and a metal round cover, and there is a layer of damping material about 0.5 cm thickness between them. The damping material can reduce the impact and vibration of the movement when people step on the stage. Also, you will have a better feeling standing barefoot on it without adding any softer cushion. Special material damping design makes no sound of metal collision, which is much better than wood top cover plate design. Number 6. Strong structure design support large people weight. Let's have a look at the 360 photo booth stress analysis diagram. When there are many people stepping on the platform, you can see that the upper bracket, the center axis, and the center of the bottom bracket have the maximum stress. That is why you can see that many other products are damaged at those positions. You can see our 360 photo booth designed with multiple upper brackets, and they are very strong, and the bottom of bracket is designed with double layer penetration type with full welding. It ensures good load bearing of the products. Number 7. 3 control methods. Our 360 photo booth supports remote control, app control, and manual control methods. Number 8. Large range with the camera height and distance adjustment. And if you want to shoot children or pets, you can remove telescopic rod. Just install your camera on the support rod. If you want to shoot adults, you can easily lower the height of the telescopic rod. If you want to shoot from a distance, you can adjust the angle adjuster to increase the angle and the distance. Number 9. Multi-layer packaging. Safe transportation. The honeycomb box packaging of this 360 photo booth use honeycomb box plus gravity carton box. Double layer protection. Flight case packaging uses flight case plus gravity carton box. Double layer protection. It can minimize the damage during transportation and customer use. These are the 9 advantages of 360 photo booth. Thank you.